Okay, so today we're going to see what the Dewalt 10-gallon stainless steel vacuum can do. This is the DXV10SA. This is the stainless steel vacuum, 5 horsepower from Costco. I'll put up some links to this vacuum or the equivalent of it, but it looks like it's going to be a good one. Been using this rigid shop vac, and it's about to give up on us, so that'll be the replacement. Also have another video on the VacMaster Professional, the Hepa vacuum. This one has put in some work in this place too. This is lightweight concrete, and we're going to be cleaning up this place today, getting it ready. So yeah, Dewalt DXV10SA. Alright, so this is the actual unboxing of the Dewalt DXV10SA. This is the vacuum that is available at Costco. If you guys don't like going to Costco because there's too many people, I'll include an Amazon link to the description. So what you get inside, wow, is a really nice stainless steel vacuum. We are going to abuse this vacuum today, and we are going to be vacuuming up lightweight concrete. It's a vacuum extractor. If you're vacuuming water, sucking up water with this, extracting, it has a release in the front. Yeah, this thing looks friggin' amazing. 2 extension pieces, and then I figure everything is gonna be on the inside. Comes with a nice Hepa filter. It does not come with a bag, so what I'll be using with this is the shop vac type F bag. I'll put a link for this one too, and yeah, you just got to get all the stuff on the inside. Little attachment. Oh, it does come with a bag. So it does come with a bag. Same type. Yeah, same type as the F bag. This one's a little bit bigger, but it does come with everything you need to start. The inside is really, really nice and clean. I almost didn't want to use it today because the vacuum's so nice and pretty. But I guess you can't make it pretty forever, or you can't keep it pretty forever. Pretty easy. The bag feels very flimsy. I feel like it's gonna break after we run it. But that's pretty much the setup of the vacuum right there. Nice HEPA filter. Clamps, these guys right here. We'll just go on just like that. Comes with a bag of 4 screws. 4 screws are for this one. If you guys have seen my channel a lot, you guys will know I'm a Dewalt guy. I love Dewalt stuff. But yeah, the setup of this thing is pretty easy. Oops. And slipping. Thank you. so more on the specs of this. This is a 5 peak horsepower vacuum. Comes with a nice hose. I should be able to connect it to my wand. So I'll be borrowing the wand from this VacMaster 8-gallon Hepa filter. I have a video on this one too. It's a great vacuum Hepa filter. For the Dewalt, when you put the wand in, it's a little bit loose, but it's the only one that I have, and we can actually start vacuuming all of this stuff right here. And this is just a quick demonstration video, so I'm not going to vacuum everything, but I will vacuum some of the sides where we have bigger chunks of concrete. And this is just a demonstration video, just to show you guys how good the vacuum is. It's a great vacuum. It's not as strong as this rigid. This rigid is a 16-gallon, 6.5 horsepower shop vac. That thing is amazing. It's also an extractor, and it's got the little drain plug over here. Dewalt has it over here. This one's a little bit swankier. It's shiny. This thing looks amazing, you know. But as for a shop vac, this thing works great. This is lightweight concrete, and it's actually picking everything up from the ground after we have swept everything up. And that's my video on the Dewalt stainless steel shop vac. So now that I've used this Dewalt vacuum to basically clean up the entire place, it's a great vacuum. It's very strong. The only two things that I wish Dewalt would have done, maybe a lot of people wouldn't have mind paying a little bit more money, is maybe adding a longer hose. I mean, a longer cord to this thing, and maybe another 5-foot hose would have been a fantastic addition. I wouldn't have mind paying another 15 to 20 bucks more if it had either one, a longer hose or a longer cord. But definitely a longer cord, because using this vacuum in a living room, you're going to be pulling it around, and with a short hose and a short vacuum, you're going to need to buy an extension cord, and that's something that I don't know, maybe on the next vacuum cleaner they can do or whatever. I don't even know if DeWalt's watching my videos, but that's just my 2 cents, and thanks for watching.